Go to Corporate Actions list. Select IPO application and allotment. Click on Add button. Enter your application number. Select your application date. Select your allotment date. Select your holding type. Click on Broker. Select the broker. Click OK. Click on Consultant name. Select the consultant name. Click OK. Click on Demat name. Select your Demat name. Click OK. Click on Script. Select the script. Click OK. Enter the quantity. Enter the rate. Enter the amount. Select the receipt payment mode. Enter the payment mode date. Should be allotment date. Enter your reference number. Click on Cash Bank. Select your account. Click OK. Enter your remarks. Click on Allotment. Enter the allotment quantity. Click on Save. Go to Reports list. Select Financial Ledger. Select Account Ledger. Click on Only Selected Account. Select the account. Click OK. Click OK again. Check your account ledger form. Go to Reports list. Select Equity Derivatives Gain, Loss. Select STLT Speculation. Click on Select Script. Select your script. Click OK. Select option with details to verify data. Click OK. After that you will get your results. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.